What happens when the person in the mirror you see in the morning doesn't look like the person you used to be? When your plans fails, your confidence disappears and it feels like everyone around you is moving forward while you are stuck in the same place. Maybe you failed an exam, maybe you lost an opportunity, maybe you disappointed yourself after promising that you would change. But here's the something that most of the people didn't even realize. Your biggest downfall is not the moment you lose. It's the moment you decide that losing is who you are, because every great comeback starts from the same place. The moment someone decides, I am not staying here anymore. Today we are going to talk about how to rebuild yourself when the life knocks you down. The reality of failure. Let's be honest, failure hurts. It doesn't just affect your results, it affects how you see yourself. You start thinking, maybe I am not good enough, maybe I can't do it, maybe this is just who I am. And this is where most people get trapped. They don't fail because they made a mistake. They failed because they let one bad chapter convince that the entire book is finished. Think about a phone that freezes. You don't throw the entire phone away. You restart it. Sometimes you don't need a completely new life. You need a reset. One bad moment can change your direction, but it doesn't not to have the direction of your destination. Step 1. Accept the reality without giving up. The first step of a comeback is acceptance. And acceptance is often a misunderstood. Acceptance does not mean you are okay with failure. It means that you stop the energy that is fighting for the past. You cannot go back and change yesterday's mistakes, but you can use today's decisions to create tomorrow's results. Imagine you are lost while driving. The first step to reaching your destination isn't pretending you are on the right road. It's admitting that you are on the wrong road. Ask yourself, what happened? What can I learn from it? What is the next move? The people who recover the fastest are not the ones who never fail. They are the one who learns how to stand up faster. Step 2. Stop blaming and take ownership. When something goes wrong, our brain naturally searches for someone or something to blame. Maybe it was a bad luck. Maybe someone treated you unfairly. Maybe circumstances were difficult, and sometimes those things are real. But staying focused only what you want and what you can't control keeps you powerless. A comeback begins when you ask a different question. What can I control from this point forward? Take one piece of responsibility to fix one habit, complete one task, make one decision you have been avoiding. Your future changes when your focus moves from excuses to action. Step 3. Build momentum through small wins. Most people wait until they feel motivated, but motivation comes and goes. Discipline is what keeps you moving. Start small. Exercise for 10 minutes. Read one page. Finish one important task. These actions may seem be small, but they tell your brain only one question and one powerful thing: I keep my promises. And that's how real confidence is built. Step 4. Change your identity. Don't just try to change your result. Change who you are. Instead of saying, I am someone who stays consistent. Every habit is a vote for the person you are becoming. The more you show up, the more that identity becomes real. Step 5. Use your failure as fuel. Failure doesn't decide your future. It teaches you what needs to be improved. Every successful person has failed. The difference is they kept going while others stopped. Don't let failure becomes your excuse. Let it becomes your reason to grow. If you are at your lowest point right now, remember this: you don't have to rebuild your whole life today. Just make one better decision, then repeat it tomorrow. Your comeback doesn't begin when life gets easier. It begins the moment you decide not to quit. If this video helped you, subscribe for more content that helps you to become stronger every single day. Thanks for watching. Bye.